About to go down, so y'all. To do YouTube, Big Boy RT coming at you with another video, live in the flesh with another one. You feel me? But we got this JLT air intake about to go down, so y'all already know. Stay tuned for the full video. Make sure y'all like, comment, so it's gonna be a banger.
You gotta take the screw out on the throttle body.
Perfect.
So you take that off just like so. Take this clip off. Follow with it. That right there. Plug that like that. And bam. Just like that, you feel me? Oh, intake out. About to put in a new one. Just like that. Give it like 5 minutes.
So what to do? We got the finished product. My GoPro died on me, so I wasn't even able to show you guys the rest of everything that I did, but y'all see it in there. JLT. I ain't gonna lie, this was like a kind of difficult install just because of this. I had to squeeze this in there pretty tight. I also had to make an extension, so we're gonna see how this thing running. We're gonna pop out to the city tonight. You already know what's going on. I'm gonna try to see what's up tonight, but y'all stay tuned for this full video. This video probably gonna be longer than usual. I'm gonna be doing a bumper install as well in this video, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Yeah, horrible. Yo, so what it do? We touched down in the city. I rode out here with my boy TAKEOVER. Make sure y'all go ahead, follow his YouTube page. He going stupid with the shit. But I'm gonna try to go meet up with him. But we finna walk through this crowd, see what's going on. Hey, cut it off. Stupid in the pit. I just got here like 10 minutes ago. You already know. Got the Miata truck, I think. Woo. Cat out. Go ahead, sub to the channel, man. He doing big things out here in the Chicago area. Yeah, he doing screaming. Ooh, them lights hidden, boy. Woo. SRT shit. Hey, he crackling, popping into that bitch, boy. Stop playing with him. Woo. Hey. colors I want for the whip, but like in a different color, like black or something, man. This been hidden though, man. For real, that been hidden. Yo, what it do? So we on the way to the paint shop to pick up the bumper. I just got the call like 10 minutes ago, said it's ready, so I'm en route right now to go pick that up. I'm just waiting on my fog lights to get here in the mail, and like after that, bumper going up, video going up. My bad for like waiting. Like I know I was supposed to have this video out like probably like a week ago, but I'm just waiting for like the materials to come in, and like they drag with the bumper, and I realized I ordered the wrong fog lights, so I had to send those back and order the new ones. So it's a long process, but just know it should definitely be here by Saturday. It is Monday the 29th, so I should definitely be posting up this video this weekend for sure. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once I get back to the paint shop, show you guys. Well, I actually don't know if I'm gonna show you guys at the paint shop or when I get back to where I'm going, but just stay tuned. I'm out. So got the front bumper in there. Not gonna show y'all that full thing yet. Y'all gotta stay tuned for this full video. But go ahead and check out them Hours Collision if you're in the Chicagoland area or west suburbs of Chicago or whatever. Definitely tap in. Got some solidly prices for some decent work. I'm not gonna tell you how much they charge me, but they definitely gave me the hookup. But man, stay tuned for the rest of this video. What's poppin'? It's April Fools, you feel me? But we got the install for the bumper today. Y'all already know. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. It's going up. All right, man, let's get into the install. So we gotta take this off. This is so. Pop that out. Pop these up. Bam. Bang. So there's 4 screws right here you gotta take off. So you gotta find this spot in your fender. I got this tool to open. Srt8, we pop that thing off, you feel me? To the next side. So once again, you come over here, you pry this side open, low key. I pop this off for it could be a little bit easier. Take that out. I guess I was missing some on the other side already. Dang. But yeah, take that out. Get this like that. Fit this bad boy in here. You also need a 10 millimeter for this to get this out. Bang. Then keep that in there. You just want oh shit. Alright, so this one needs problem. like that. I got it off, taken care of. Now we gotta take these screws off from the bottom. So we got all the screws out. So all we got connected right now is fog lights. Disconnect that shit and we got this bitch off. All you do is disconnect the wire, boom, gone. New bumper on the way. Yo, so what to do? It is Friday. So yesterday I wasn't able to, hold up, I'm not gonna show you yet. But yesterday I wasn't able to finish everything, so I just put everything back. But man, this install low-key mad difficult. I'm telling you that now, bro. But man, y'all see it. But right here, you're gonna need a different, I think it's called like a lower valence, something like that, for that can fit secure. But I got this thing in here secure. But overall it's probably took me like 8 to 10 hours, but I also work a job, so it's not like I had all day to do it. But man, y'all drop in that comment, let me know what y'all think about this. I know this don't even like look that mad different, but it's hidden. Hold up, let me show y'all them headlights now too. Y'all already know we had the yellow headlights. Sirskis. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. It's hidden, man. I honestly like it a lot. I don't know if my paint correction, hopefully they just looked up my paint code, so hopefully it's the right paint correction. But man, this was a long video, so yeah, this was like honestly like my first. I was never like, I've been into cars, but I ain't really know how to work on cars, you feel me? I'm gonna be 100, keep it a bill with y'all. But man, this was my first bumper I did. Mad hard, but we did that, you feel me? But y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'm probably gonna wrap this video up like that. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all haven't already. Doing a lot of big things on the channel this summer coming up. Got some car reviews coming. Got some more installs for this charger. And we got some racing and some more lit car footage coming out. So y'all stay tuned, man. It's gonna be a long journey going up all 2021, man. But man, y'all see me in the next one. I'm out.